In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This process is simple and efficient, perfect for when you need to clear up your workspace or get rid of timelines that are no longer needed. Let's dive in, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step along the way. First, you'll want to begin by opening DaVinci Resolve on your computer. This professional video editing software offers robust capabilities, making it a popular choice among video editors. Ensure that your project is open and ready to be edited. If you're not already familiar with where to find DaVinci Resolve on your system, check your applications or program files and launch it from there. Now that you have DaVinci Resolve open, direct your attention to the Media Pool. The Media Pool is essentially the hub for all your media and project files within DaVinci Resolve. It's where you organize your assets, making it a crucial aspect of your workflow. Locate it by navigating to the top left section of your interface. It's usually the first place you'll visit when managing your project's files. Once you're in the Media Pool, you need to look for the specific timeline that you wish to delete. Take your time here, especially if you have numerous timelines within your project. You want to ensure that you're selecting the correct one. The timeline is essentially the sequence of your video where all your edits happen, so making sure you choose the right one is key to avoiding accidental data loss. After identifying the timeline you want to remove, it's time to take action. Right-click on the timeline, and you'll see a contextual menu pop up. This menu contains several options related to the management of your timeline. Here you need to find and select the option labeled Remove Timeline. By clicking Remove Timeline, DaVinci Resolve will prompt you with a confirmation message just to ensure you're confident about deleting this timeline. Confirm the action, and the timeline will be deleted from your project. Deleting a timeline can be beneficial in keeping your project neat and avoiding unnecessary clutter, ultimately making your editing process more streamlined and focused. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully removed a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Always remember to double-check you're deleting the correct timeline to prevent removing important work. Deleting a timeline doesn't delete the media within your project, just the arrangement of your edits, so rest assured your source files remain safe in the Media Pool. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to enhance your video editing skills.